Retest review for test number 2. This is problem number 17. We're going to simplify the expression parentheses 6a to the negative 3 b to the fourth raised to the third power divided by 12 a to the sixth b to the negative 5 power. Now, first thing we want to do is get rid of this power raised to a power. So your laws of exponents say when you have a power raised to a power, you multiply the exponents. So I have 6 to the first power. So 1 times 3 would be 3. We have an a, and we have negative 3 times 3 would give us negative 9. We're just multiplying the exponents. The bases do not say this or change. B is 4, so 4 times 3 is 12. All right, and then that's going to be divided by 12, a to the 6th, b to the negative 5. All right, so we get rid of this power to a power first, and then we want to go through and kind of simplify this down. Now, 6 to the third, if you calculate that, it gives you 216. So I'm going to have 216 over 21. I'm just going to split up the number part times a to the negative 9 divided by a to the 6th times b to the 12th divided by b to the negative 5. And we're going to go through and we're going to simplify, and we're going to just do this in little sections at a time and little parts. So we're going to start with 216 divided by 21, and it doesn't divide evenly. So what we want to do is reduce that fraction if we can. And so what number goes into 216 and into 21? Well, if I look at the 216, there's a 21 and a 6. I know that 3 goes into 21 and into 6. So if I divide 216 by 3, that's going to give me a 72. And if I take 21 and divide by 3, I get 7. So 216 divided by 21 reduces to 72 over 17. Now, next thing I want to do is go to the a's. I have the same base I'm dividing. My laws of exponents say take the exponents and subtract them. I have negative 9 minus 6. And your laws of exponents say when you have a positive and a negative and you're subtracting, you keep the first one, you change the sign, and you change. So I have negative 9 plus negative 6 is negative 15. Now, where is the a going to go in this fraction for 72 over 7? Well, you go back to the original. I have a negative 9 and a 6, and you ask yourself, which number is bigger, 6 or negative 9? Well, the 6 is definitely bigger, so the a will be in the denominator. And then we just ignore the negative, and we put a to the 15th power. Then we go to our b's, and we've got b to the 12th divided by b to the negative 5. So the laws of exponents say when you divide the same base, subtract the exponents. 12 minus a negative 5. A minus minus becomes plus. 12 plus 5 is 17. Now, where does the b go? I have a 12 and a negative 5. Which number is bigger? Well, 12 is bigger, and that's in the numerator, so the b will be in the numerator, and we'll put the 17 on it. So we have 72 b to the 17th divided by 7, a to the 15th. And that is our solution.